Ingat, laki oh. Are you okay with the touch, Josh? It's the wrong way. Malaki na, wrong way pa. Tapos yun, may glasses pa siya. Astig eh. Tapan yung sarili eh. Nearly now in the sea. Napag-initan ni Josh yung aking sombrero eh.
We need to time it better so that we can go when it's we've got more time. Because we need 3 hours and we can walk home.
Yeah.
Until there's houses.
Galloping sa sand eh. Josh, look ah, Josh.
Shell. Shell.
Shell.
Shell.
I think he nearly got it.
Ano ba yung shell sa ano? Tagalog?
Shell.
Hindi naman susunod, no?
Thank you.
Kabibi! Yeah! Kabibi! Yeah! Pati. Shell petrol. Ang tagal ah. Yeah. Just look oh. Just look oh. Oh, what's that? Oh.
3.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go! Go! One, two, three, go! Yeah, go! Go! Just so doggy, oh. Nalalawlaw yung pantalon. No cycling. Keep off the rocks. Oh no.
No.
Bakit di ba na ano yung ano? Hindi naaarawan yata. Oh. Go! Go ulit si Josh. Gano'n, oo. Naapa, oh, ang ganda, no? Pero sa walkway nila. Tapos this one is lower. So if there's high tide, parang level na. Diba? Level sa daanan. Kaya ang ganda rito. Ano sabi mo, Josh? Josh? Ano sabi mo, Josh? Say again. Sige, abutan mo ako. Ang hirap tumatakbo na. Yeah, abutan na. Yeah! Abutan ako ni Josh. Yeah! Ayoko. Ha? Oh, boat! Oh, boat! Wow! Ningal ako rin na. Nasaan yung boat? Dali, turo. Turo mo yun, oh. Ay. Dali, turo yung boat. Ang ganda, very stylish yung sombrero niya. 3, 2, 1. Go! Backward. Good job, Josh. Good job, good job.
Good job.
Ayun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ganda naman yun. Doggy, Josh. Another doggy, Josh. Look. Doddy. Here. White winter. Oh! Kala ko tataob eh. Kala ko tataob sila. Oh my God. Another doggy, Josh. Kala ko ano, tataob yung binta yun, di ba? Mga binta. Saka wala naman pating dyan eh, di ba? Siyempre. Ang dami pala oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Meron pa ron. Kaya nga lang, it's getting dark na. 7 o'clock. Still bright here in UK. Kaya, ano pa eh, mga 9 o'clock bago dumilim. Ako, tinutulak ako ng maliit na bata ron. Ayun, nanunulak ako. Tinutulak ako, ayan, ayan. Yan ang bisyo niyan, manulak ng lola niya yan. Oh, yan oh, di ba, nanunulak. Kita niyo yan? Ayan, namamalo pa. Baka maray mahulog tayo sa tubig dyan. Ginagawa mo na yan. Ayan, 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 tulak, tulak, tulak. Ayun na yung batang manunulak. Sure, puppies, oh. Wow, cute. Daw! Daw uli. Towards the end na kami, malapit na. Mahaba to, yun. Doon kami nagsimula. We started there. It's only 20 minutes walk. Pero ano, mabagal kami because of Josh. Because of Josh. Are you tired? Maapaw na yung tubig. It's overflowing. The water from this side. Look. Where this one? Ay, nasadya eh. Nahula. Oh, they're going in there.
Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget that we met. You look so fly. Everything when I smile.
Ayun yung bagong game niya, swish, swish. Tapos cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha!
Ano yung game na yan? Swish, swish. Swish, cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha!
Anong game yun? Ako nakarinig niya. Pet. Putik na yung pet, oo.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Oh, kawawa naman. Putikan ng bata. Come on, let's go na. Come on, let's go na. Oh.
Well, we found the crab. I'm happy.
You have enough now. We're going home. Bye-bye. It's getting dark. Yan, the water's coming out from here to prevent overflowing siguro from here to here. What's that, Josh?
He thinks it's milk.
Huh?
He thinks it's milk.
Just thought it's milk because it's white. But the bubble's white. Kaya ito it's milk. Yun pa, marami pang mga boat dito. Binta. Ay! Nakita yung... Ay! Naku! Laki ng tiyan! Uy! Naku! Pinagalaw yung tiyan! Ano? Laki ng tiyan!
1,
2, 3, 4! Ulta ng napagod na bata. Pakarga na. Yan. Coming out from there to that side. Here. Oh, what's that, Josh? Milk! Milk daw sabi ni Josh. Josh said the water coming out here is milk because it's white. You're right, Josh. Joshua. Just tingin na. Tingin, just tingin dito. No, dito na yan.
point at something good. Point to Wales.
Titingnan nila yung, ayun, Wales. The part is Wales. And this is England. Anglesey right there. Doon banda. Tinanggal. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Cha-cha-cha! Anong game yan?
Cha-cha-cha!
Ayan na.
Cha-cha-cha!
Oh! Tayo! Ayan! Wow, hindi umiyak. O, dali na. Ano yung game mo dyan? Tapos? Tapos? Cha-cha-cha! Tapos na po. Anong klaseng game yan?